Imagine being able to generate stunning videos with just a few lines of text. Introducing text-to-video AI, a revolutionary tool that is changing the game of YouTube automation. With the power of DeepBrain AI, you can now create captivating videos without spending hours in front of the editing software. Here's how it works. Simply input your script or text into the AI video generator and let DeepBrain AI work its magic. Through advanced algorithms and machine learning, it transforms your words into visually engaging video content. No more struggling to find the right shots or footage, this AI does it all for you. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, text-to-video AI can be a game changer for you. It saves you time, effort, and resources, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating quality content. The possibilities are endless. Imagine having a YouTube channel that consistently uploads high-quality videos, all thanks to the power of automation. With DeepBrain AI, that dream becomes a reality. From script to screen, it handles the entire process, giving you the freedom to unleash your creativity. Now, you might be wondering, how does it handle visuals? DeepBrain AI utilizes state-of-the-art technology to analyze your text and generate corresponding images and video footage. Whether you need animations, stock footage, or custom graphics, this AI has got you covered. It seamlessly integrates visuals that align perfectly with your script, creating a truly immersive experience for your viewers. So why spend hours editing and creating videos manually when you can automate the process with text-to-video AI? Revolutionize your YouTube channel today by mastering the power of AI. With DeepBrain AI by your side, the possibilities are limitless. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and updates on the latest AI technologies. Join the revolution of YouTube automation with DeepBrain AI. Subscribe now.